morning Year 2 and welcome to another math session. In today's session we're going to be focusing on finding thirds. So finding thirds of an amount. Let's start by thinking about 1/3. How do we write 1/3 as a fraction? I want you to write it on your piece of paper. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Are we ready? Okay. So 1/3 is a fraction. We write 1/3. So our numerator is 1. Our denominator is going to be 3. Well done if you got that correct. Let's move on to the next fraction. So this time I want you to think about 2/3. How do we write 2/3 as a fraction? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Let's have a look. So 2/3 as a fraction, we write 2/3. Well done if you got that correct. And remember, the denominator is always really important because we are using our circle to help us calculate the answer. And our denominator tells us how many parts there are to our circle. So how many parts we have to divide our circle into. And our numerator tells us of all those parts, how many parts am I going to be counting? So our first question, 1/3 of 12. So I draw my circle and I divide my circle into 3 equal parts. I'm now going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And I need to count how many there are in 1/3. So I'm looking at 1/3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is going to be 4. And if I look at 2/3, I'm doing the same thing again, but this time I'm counting how many there are in 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is going to be 8. Okay? Let's have a go at another question. 1/3 of 9. Again, I draw my circle, divide it into 3 parts, and I'm now going to count up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And now I'm going to count how many there are in 1/3. 1, 2, 3. Very simple. And for 2/3, again, I look at my numerator, I need to count how many there are in 2/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is going to be 6. I think that's quite easy. I want you to do the next question without my help. Off you go. Are we ready? Remember you can pause the video so that you've got time to calculate the answer. So 1/3 of 15. I'm going to divide my circle into 3 equal parts. And then I'm going to count up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm now going to count how many there are in 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have my 3/3. I'm only counting how many there are in 1/3 for this question. But for this question, I'm counting how many there are in 2/3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is going to be 10. Well done if you got that question correct. Let's go on to the next question. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay, so I'm going to divide my circle. I'm going to divide my circle into 3 parts. And then I'm going to count up to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I now need to count how many there are in 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer here is going to be 7. My next question, I need to count how many there are in 2/3. So I have 7 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So my answer is going to be 14. Well done, you got that question correct. Let's go on to the next question. Off you go. Are we ready? Okay. So I'm now going to divide my circle into 3 parts. And I need to count up to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? I now need to count how many there are in 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if I go to 2/3, I need to count how many there are in 2/3. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is going to be 12. Well done if you got that question correct. So now I'm going to leave you to have a go at this. So what you need to do is you need to find 1/3 of each number here, and then write that here, and then you need to find 2/3 of each number and write that here. And don't forget to share any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you very much for listening, Year 2. Bye bye.